Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing reviews on the SHEIN skincare, the milk products that I picked up because it was requested several times. This set comes with 6 pieces of skincare, 2 free gifts for under $13 on SHEIN.com, and I'm going to link this set in the description box below, as well as other SHEIN links. Check out the description box and the cards always for additional links and information. Let's get started. In this kit you get a free fuzzy headband to use during your skincare. It's super cute, super soft, really nice and stretchy. Works fantastic. And you get this little scrubby bear, which is super cute, but I typically don't really use these. He does have like a sponge inside of him for your cleansers and stuff, and yeah, it looks like that. I have not tested this yet. I've actually tested all the products in this skincare kit except for one. It's winter. I just don't need this product right now, and that's the SPF, and I will use this going into spring and summer. I just have not used it yet. It's still sealed. But everything else I've tested and tried out, and here are my thoughts. The first product that I have used is the Silky Hand Wax. All these products are over 1 ounce also, except for one. This says it's even skin tone, cleansing, smooth, and delicate. But basically what this is a peel-off mask for your hands, which is super interesting. And when I tried this out, it did actually work. It does sit on your hands for 15 or 20 minutes. Allow it time to dry. Then you peel it off and your hands are much softer. Much softer. They feel like you just peeled like dead skin off of them. I know that sounds so strange saying out loud, but they just feel so soft after I use this. It was really nice. And all these products have a light scent, like that typical milky scent in terms of skincare. I've used quite a bit of milk products and they all kind of have that light milky kind of scent. I do like this hand wax. It's very interesting. So it's like a peel off face mask except for your hands. That was nice. I have the Roll and Glow Milk Eye Cream. This says it's a triple eye roller, hydrating, quick absorbing, and non-greasy. This eye cream does have 3 rollers, as you can see. This has no scent. This product out of the bunch has no scent at all. It has a cooling effect. You could keep this in your refrigerator, but because of the metal balls, it already kind of gives you that cooling effect. This is a thin serum formula. This absorbs very quickly under the eye, and there's no like sticky residue left over. I don't really like that. Like when you use face masks, there is a sticky residue sometimes. This is not like that. It absorbs very quickly into the skin. I really like it for that. This does brighten your under eye, and it helps with your dark circles. It minimizes the appearance of those fine line wrinkles, and I've used this several times now and it absolutely does work. I like using it before my makeup, before bed, when I wake up in the morning. Those are the times that I would variate using it. And when I used it before makeup, I could definitely tell the difference in my under eye and the fine lines. Very nice. I'm very pleased with this product. Extremely happy with this product. You can see here, so you will press it out, or you can press it down and the product comes out the top where the roller balls are. The eye cream, so nice. So nice. The cleanser milk, and this says it's a gentle cleansing, smoothing, reveal skin radiance. This has a light scent, and it comes with a scrubby brush. These are like kind of soft plasticky bristles, and what you have to do is you have to twist this open squirt your cleanser through the top and use it to scrub your face if you wish, or just squirt it directly into your hand and wash your face like that. I've used it both ways. One day I used the scrub and then I used the cleanser, so then I did not use the scrubby brush on there the same day that I used the scrub. This is a thin pearl-like cleanser, so it has that like pearly look to it. This product lathers so nicely. A little goes a long way, and I like the fact that you can squirt the product out so you don't have to use the brush head if you don't want to. I'm very happy with this cleanser. It works so well, and like I said, little goes a long way, so you just need a little tiny bit in your hand and you're good to go. It is lathers very well. So I really like that. Exfoliating Scrub Milk. Silky smooth, naturally radiant. It's really nice. I like the little jar. Once again, it has a light scent to it. It comes like this. It's a thick consistency with a sugar suspended throughout it, and it does come with a little spoon, and I use this in the shower on my face, so I just kind of keep it off to the side so it doesn't bother me that the spoon has kind of got product on it. This scrub is a gentle kind of scrub. The sugar is not densely packed, or the scrubby particles aren't densely packed in this. It's not abrasive on the skin. It's very gentle. And you could use this scrub up to 3 times a week if you wanted. In the winter, I typically do, depending on the grit of the scrub I'm using. Others that are more densely packed and more abrasive, I would use 1 to 2 times a week. But this is really nice and gentle. The formula on this is really nice. You can see how thick that is. It's not going anywhere. And it smells so good. The Moisturizing Cream Milk. Isn't the packaging adorable? I love this packaging. This also has a light scent. It's a thick, creamy consistency. It has a lid that I leave on here. And you could use this on your face or body if you choose, but I'm only going to use this on my face. I have been using it. It does absorb quickly. It is a very moisturizing. It leaves behind this silky smooth feeling on your skin even into the next day. Like, I could still feel this moisturizer on my skin like 24 hours later. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave this oily residue behind, but you can still feel it on your face. It is incredibly moisturizing. I'm very impressed with this product too. Have really enjoyed this product. Before bed, after a shower, whenever I choose to apply this stuff is nice. See, it's pretty thick too. I don't want to be too, or because I think it would come out of there, but like, it's pretty thick in there. It smells great. I definitely recommend this skincare. I just love how adorable this packaging is. Overall, I have enjoyed my experience using these skincare items. I do recommend this set from SHEIN. I think that the price is great. The quality is really good. The packaging is cute. The light scent and how all the products perform. Really nice experience. I really enjoyed these skincare products. So I hope you enjoyed the reviews, found them helpful. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional SHEIN links. If you have any other comments or questions regarding the products, then leave them in the comments section below. I will definitely answer them. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these.